What's up guys, Cale with Maston's Plumbing and Drain. Today we're going to do a brief video on the dangers of a DIY water heater installation. I'm going to point out some things that most homeowners don't understand about a water heater and why it's best to call a professional. For those of you that don't know what this is a TMP, a temperature and pressure relief valve. We've gone into a lot of homes, a lot of closets, to where this pop-off valve has been turned and shoved into the drywall of a house, which leaves it inoperable, meaning whenever it needs to function and pop off to alleviate pressure, it can't do it. So in an emergency or over pressurization of this tank, this needs to be able to pop. My belief is that if this ever pops off, there's a bigger issue present. This definitely is going to need to be replaced because it's like a factory set spring and now you've used it. So I would replace this part. So that's the TMP, temperature pressure valve, that I just pulled out. This right here is also for your temperature. You see all that breaking off? That's what the water is doing inside of that tank. It's eating away at anything and everything that it touches. So that's an indication of hard water. A lot of homeowners don't understand how to, spot the right product when choosing the selection of water heater you're going to use. A key indication that you're getting a lower quality water heater is a plastic drain port like this one. Now, you may think, well, he's just really strong, so of course he can break a drain port. I assure you, it was plastic. Another thing that homeowners don't really understand is how to size water properly. This homeowner obviously installed his own system back in the mid to early 90s, I'm sure. So he went from 3/4 down to 3/8, back to 3/4, out 3/4, down to 3/8. And he fed his entire house that way. He had no water pressure anywhere in his home. We got that fixed and corrected for him as well. Another thing, as far as safety and concerns, in the state of Oklahoma, where Maston's Plumbing runs and operates at in Tulsa, you as a homeowner cannot go buy the parts for this unit that drive it, which is right down here, the gas control valve, right? You can't get that. You have to have a contractor's license to buy that part. These things exhaust noxious gas, okay? So they need to be sized properly, vented properly. You want a licensed professional who understands the safety for you and your home and your family. These can literally explode and cause a lot of harm, more than just water loss. Like, we can replace carpet, we can replace wood floor. The things that we can't replace are you. So whenever it comes time to replace or upgrade your water heater system in your home, give Maston's Plumbing and Drain a call, 918-998-1930. Hey guys, I just want to say thank you for following us here, watching today. Like, follow, subscribe. It really helps the algorithm, helps us get out there to more homeowners just like you.